Right now, I'm going to show you how to use the hose attachment here for the Hoover Powerscrub Deluxe. So I've got some stains here on the carpet, and this attachment makes it really easy to clean. You've got your goodie bag that comes with the carpet cleaner, and inside you're just going to pull out this long hose attachment here. So here you've got one side, which is your handle, your spray nozzle, and then the other side is your plug-in. So here on top of the carpet cleaner, you have a port here. You're just going to lift it open, and then you're going to lock this in place. So here on the hose, you've got a little tab here with an arrow, like, you know, a little tab of plastic here. You put that here on the side, plug it in here on the side, and then you twist it a quarter turn. That locks it into place. Now you need to plug in your water hose, and so that you're just going to open this tab here and just push it in. It's just a push to connect, nothing fancy there. So here we will turn the carpet cleaner on to give it power, and then you're going to pull your trigger here on the handle. That'll spray water out of this nozzle. You'll spray that on the area that you're scrubbing. You've got multiple cleaning attachments here. You've got your kind of 3-4 inch tool. You've got your 7-inch tool here. You've got a really narrow tool, and then you've got this brush that actually spins. So let me show you that one, because that one's kind of the most unique one, but you know, just pick the tool that's right for you, and then you're just going to spray, scrub, and extract. To put on the tool, you're just going to slide it on. Here there's a notch on top of the handle here, so we're just going to slide the hose on. It kind of clicks on, and then to remove it, you just push this and then slide it right off. And all of the hose attachments have that same feature. So let's go ahead and attach this one here. Now on the back of the carpet cleaner here, you have your power button here. So you're just going to push that down. Pull the trigger, spray down the area, scrub, There we go, and that's it. When you're all done, take everything off. You can unplug the hose and then wind everything up, wrap it up, put it away. And there we go, that's it. So just continue the process as needed till you are satisfied with how your area has come clean. If you want a complete tutorial on how to use that vacuum, you can check that video out next. If you like DIY around the house, feel free to like and subscribe. My name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.